It looks like ordinary plastic wrap. But coat a surface with this crystalline film, and it may turn color the moment a nerve agent simulant touches it. No battery, no signal processing required. Researchers are now asking whether that capability can leave the lab. That's the entire point. Recent research has demonstrated subparts per billion hydrogen sulfide detection with a color shift visible in under 2 minutes. In materials science terms, that's a sensitivity jump of 2 to 3 orders of magnitude over where the field stood just a decade ago. The mechanism is precise. The film's pores are sized at the molecular level, a lock designed for one specific molecular key. When the target gas enters, it shifts the metal node's electron structure, and that shift registers as a visible color change naked to the eye. The foundational work traces to Omar Yaghi's 1995 crystalline framework research, a porous solid so open that 1 gram's internal surface area can exceed 7,000 square meters, among the highest known to materials science. The thin film integration approach, growing these frameworks directly onto glass, plastic, and fabric using semiconductor-style deposition, was pioneered around 2015 at KU Leuven, making device-scale films practically achievable for the first time. By 2018, Fang, Zhong, and Mao published the review that gave the field its canonical vocabulary, now at 564 citations, defining performance benchmarks that select lab demonstrations are now reportedly exceeding. The gap this targets is real. OSHA records thousands of acute toxic exposures annually, caused in part by electrochemical sensors that need regular calibration, run on batteries, and carry meaningful per-unit costs. A passive, colorimetric alternative could address each of those failure modes. In principle, a MOF film the size of a postage stamp could offer that, but current cost and durability estimates remain largely lab-stage projections. Mass manufacturable deposition and long-term field stability are still active research problems. There's a real catch: humidity interference. Water vapor competes for the same pore binding sites, and full reversibility at industrial scale hasn't been demonstrated. These are the two challenges the field openly acknowledges as unsolved, and if those problems are solved, the architecture could reach further.